Module 7, Charts and Graphs. Numbers and cells? Boring. Numbers as a chart? Beautiful. Today we turn snack votes into a colorful bar chart, then track football goals with a line. Highlight your data. Click Insert. Pick a chart type. Excel draws it for you. Try a bar chart for comparing things, like favorite snacks. 3 chart types every kid should know. Bar, for comparing categories. Line for tracking over time. PE for showing parts of a whole. Pick the right one. Mini project. Track your favorite football team's goals each match. Make a line chart. Bonus, build a pie chart of which player scored the most. Next, pocket money. Track what you earn, spend, and save with a real money tracker.